Hi, are you trying to save money but you can't stop spending? Let's talk about that. Hi, welcome. I'm Eileen Judd. I am the Busy Money Bee. I'm a mom of 4 and I know what it's like to live on a tight budget. I do money saving video tips every Tuesday. Let's get on to how to avoid spending money. Number 1, avoid ads. Don't watch commercials, don't look at ads on your phone, and don't look at ads that come in the mail. Number 2, don't window shop. Don't go strolling through the mall. Don't look at stuff online. Number 3, avoid going to your favorite stores. I have to avoid Michael's because Michael's is like Disneyland for me. And I also have to avoid Dollar Tree, especially when I'm broke, because they have so much neat stuff I end up spending too much money. Number 4, look for free stuff. Look on Craigslist for free stuff. Go to the library and borrow library books. Look up free activities around town. And look for free samples, whether online or nearby. Number 5, focus on earning money instead. Things you could do like selling stuff on eBay, Mercari, whatever you want. Yard sale, you can find a gig to do online. Whatever fits into your current lifestyle. Number 6, don't watch haul videos. Easier said than done. YouTube has some of the best haul videos out there. But when you're trying to save money, you don't need to be getting ideas in your head. Number 7, avoid looking at your email ads or the things that you're subscribed to. One thing you can do is filter that stuff so it goes into your junk mail so you avoid looking at it, and also unsubscribing to ads that you don't really look at anymore anyways. Number 8, ask yourself this question: if not now, how can I afford it? What can I do to afford it? Like selling something, working overtime. Save that money in a separate bank account for that specific goal so you can avoid spending it for your specific goal. Number 9, remember the sacrifice. By avoiding spending money, you are sacrificing something for the greater good, for whatever monetary or life goal that you have. It'll be worth it in the end, and you'll be grateful that you took the time to remember the sacrifice. I hope you are able to use some of these money saving tips in your life. For more videos like this, hit this like button, and to not miss out on my newest videos, hit the subscribe button. Until next time, happy savings. Bye.